so sad because I already know this is gonna look so cute. Hey guys, it's your girl Faye back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I styled this look right here. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, keep watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, stay tuned. I'm so sad because I already know this is gonna look so cute. Alright, that's it. Thank you guys so much for making it to the end of my video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love trying different styles out. I saw this style on TikTok and I've done it previously before in ginger. I'm gonna leave the picture right here. It just feels so different to me because of these little like tendrils. I feel like, I don't know, like I just love it. This is so cute. Leave a comment for which look you like more. Are you feeling the ginger more or are you feeling this one? Let me know, let me know. I wanna know your thoughts on this look, or if you guys have any other hairstyles you guys want me to try out, let me know those as well. I have so much fun trying out different styles, so this is so much fun for me and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. All right, catch you in my next video. Bye.